The third type of comprehension is the dictionary comprehension. This also uses curly braces and is distinguished from the set comprehension by the fact that we now provide two colon-separated expressions for the key and value, which will be evaluated in tandem for each item. Here's a dictionary we can play with which maps countries to their capital cities. The UK to London, Brazil to Brasilia, Morocco to Rabat, and Sweden to Stockholm. One nice use for a dictionary comprehension is to invert a dictionary so we can perform efficient lookups in the opposite direction. This example converts from a capital to country mapping into a country to capital mapping. Note that dictionary comprehensions do not usually operate directly on dictionary sources. Well, they can, but recall that iterating over a dictionary yields only the keys. If we want both the keys and the values, we should use the items method of the dictionary and then use tuple unpacking to access the key and values separately. Should your comprehension produce some identical keys, later keys will overwrite earlier keys. In this example, we map the first letters of words to the words themselves, but only the last H word is kept. Remember that there's no limit to the complexity of the expression you can use in any of the comprehensions, but for the sake of your fellow programmers you should avoid going overboard and extract complex expressions into separate functions to preserve readability. The following is close to the limit of being reasonable for a dictionary comprehension. It uses the standard library glob module to find all of the Python source files in a particular directory, and then creates a mapping from the full path name for those files to the size of the file in bytes. The file path and file size are derived using facilities of the OS module.